So you're ready to move up from your starter home to something bigger, maybe more luxurious, something that feels like a true dream home. But here's the big question. How do you make it happen without breaking the bank? The answer might be sitting right where you are, in the equity you've already built up in your current home. First off, let's make sure we're on the same page. What exactly is equity? Basically, equity is the difference between what your home is worth now and what you still owe on your mortgage. So if your home's value has gone up since you bought it and you've been paying down that mortgage, then you've built up some equity. And that's a powerful tool. How much equity do you think you have in your starter home right now? One of the smartest ways to use this equity is as a down payment for your next home. By rolling over that equity, you can reduce the amount you need to borrow for your dream home. It's like letting your starter home do some of the heavy lifting for you. Imagine moving into a bigger, better home with less financial strain because you planned ahead with your equity. Pretty cool, right? Another option, refinancing. Let's say you're not quite ready to move, but you want to get a head start. Refinancing can let you cash out some of that equity while you're staying in your current home. You could use it for improvements that raise your home's value, making it worth even more when you're finally ready to sell. Have you thought about refinancing to boost your home's value before selling? Then there's something called a HELOC, a home equity line of credit. This option lets you borrow against your home's equity, like having a credit line based on your home's value. A HELOC can be useful if you want to invest in some updates that will make your starter home more appealing when it's time to sell. Just be sure to use it wisely. Since it's tied to your home, you'll want to stay on top of those payments. And timing is everything. If you're thinking about making the move, consider waiting until the market conditions are in your favor. Selling during a seller's market when demand is high can maximize your equity. That means more funds for your dream home without putting extra strain on your budget. It's all about timing your sale to get the most bang for your buck. So if you've been in your starter home for a while, then there's a good chance you've built up some equity that could be your ticket to that dream home. Think of it like a hidden superpower that can help you move up without feeling stretched thin financially. And if you're wondering exactly how much equity you've built or want to discuss the best way to use it, then I'm here to help. Drop a comment below or click the link to book a time with me. Let's make that dream home happen using the smartest strategies you already have at your fingertips.